Hi, I'm Jordan Gard, Managing Director of the Women's Sports Alliance. I recently sent off my Biosynergy DNA testing kit sample, and within 3 weeks I had my results come through this brilliant app. The level and depth of the findings are pretty much staggering. It's very clear to see that the results are hugely scientific, and it gives you DNA results in diet, health, physical, vitamins, as well as health insights, a genetic action plan, meal guides, and training plan recommendations. So getting my hands on these sorts of results has definitely given me the opportunity to unlock my potential at the same time as looking after myself a little bit better, to be honest. And here you can kind of see what the app looks like. If you get the chance to kind of purchase your own DNA testing kit, I definitely recommend you do so. If you're kind of a professional athlete, or if you're working in around sport, or if you just want to be healthier, the level of results are fantastic. I don't know what half of the vitamins mean. I've had to do my own kind of research on what they are and what they do for me. So yeah, it's opened my eyes a little bit to that as well, and to what my body needs and how I can kind of get the best out of my body. So yeah, give it a go. They're brilliant.